Hello friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share what I'm doing. I am really fascinated about the paper from Stamperia, coffee and chocolate. Actually, for like Christmas gift, I got that paper collection, and I don't know if I have enough paper for album. I was thinking some big album, but in my stash I found the album like that, and it is 16, I think 21 by 16 by 6.5, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, double pages, and I make decision I will do album this way. So yesterday I made first cover. It's a little bit 3D cover, and I used the glossy accent on the glasses and windows, and I really want the album is just for cafe. Many things many times I talking. I won't have album where I will hide photos when I go for coffee with my friends. And some photos I have, but I never storage that photo in album. So I hope finally I will do. So that what I did yesterday. It's still not glued on the top, but I also made first page, and I just love this paper. So here I do closure like this, and we can open these cards and write something, and here can be huge photo. Yes, my problem is I don't like disturb the paper design, so here from 8 by 8 you do just a clear pocket. I don't have nothing to show you. Yes, it's clear, and here comes photos, but I want to see all the page. And today I did that one. It's amazing how beautiful paper are. So what I did, I just cut the this one on the paper, and then I fussy cut from collection and glue and make pocket, because I just fold paper 12 by 12. Here can be 9 by 13 photos. I just want to see what is there, and I made photomat. So photomat will hold photo here, that folding, but on the bottom is similar. On the bottom, on the top was 12 by 12, and here is 8 by 8. Isn't it great? So it's fold like that, very similar. I cut this with coffee, and here is that. I not cover that, that old. But photos come here, and right now photos go like that. I don't have more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, but on the bottom I made huge envelope pocket for many photos, so it look like that. And tomorrow I will continue and I show you what I made tomorrow. So have a nice night, because now it's about 10:11 I think p.m. So I go to sleep, and morning I will continue. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye guys.